I remember last time I've been to Golden Gai, I found stickers.
Right.
There are a lot of stickers, right?
Yeah.
And I found the ones which are Moscow Football Club.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they paste it on the wall or the backend?
On the lights, you know.
Yeah, your typical sticker graffiti, you know.
Let's paste it on the left wall.
Yeah. Should be, according to the map, somewhere around here. So I just started filming. There we go. Look at that POV.
Okay, one of the options which I've seen here is that much help.
Hello, guys.
So
What's up? How are you?
Okay. So kana. Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to Golden Gai.
Yes, exactly.
Nowadays, I feel like such places like this are a bit more dangerous now. Because it's like there's a rise with violence in areas like this now, especially with those you saw those guys standing outside.
Public?
Yeah, it's like if you have camera and clearly filming, they'll start attacking aggressively. I personally have not seen it yet, but still it's a bit dangerous.
Do you play any Japanese game on PlayStation like Yakuza games? Yeah, new games.
Nah, not really. The only, I didn't play much games to be honest. The one I played is War Thunder.
War Thunder.
Yeah, it's kind of popular in Russia because it is Russian.
Yeah.
But yeah, besides that,
Really Golden Gai is not one straight, right? It's a collective.
No, it's a collective area.
Tak, żebym chciał, także wiem, że
Ah,
I think they will Polish.
sounds like it though. Sounds like it though. Okay, now back here.
sería una sorpresa después a la hora de pagar y...
Wait, I want to take a picture of the bar hero. Because back home I have there's a bar that I play at for music. It's called Heroes. So it's same. Yeah. Oh, that's trippy. Okay, wait, what's the bar name that you said to go?
Oh, it will open in 8 actually. So it's still like 10 minutes.
12 minutes, so you can just slowly walk around, take some photos.
Yeah, we just chilling right now.
Brief in the vibe.
Yes.
I don't mind to be honest, we can go any so far, but this one I just see
Ooh, look at that. It's all the music, all the jazz albums.
I know all places look so cozy to be honest that
Yeah.
I feel like it's so great to bar hopping with a big company here.
Take here. There's a shot and a half. Also like to take. Wait, hold on.
Jesus, what's she doing there?
I saw that.
I really like to look through stickers, which are here because I'm saying sometimes I see Russian ones.
Oh.
Oh, it's in Russian.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't get it.
It looks like one of those Chernobyl signs. Chernobyl, like they paste the stickers all over the plant itself. Yeah. Oh wow, that's nice. Yeah, the streak.
Lucky.
That's awesome, man. It looks
My
good.
ISO is 5000.
Oh shit. Okay.
But it's okay, because it's full frame camera, so the ISO is
okay,
not
okay.
that bad. I'm shooting on manual on auto ISO.
Okay.
I don't know why.
It's like Jackson Pollock.
Yeah, it looks
It's a good sound.
so
Good.
good.
Hey, Blue Man Group.
This is a new poster though.
Sorry?
It's a new poster. 26.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's
Wow.
not like old, like 10 years ago.
Ignore thoughts, they said.
How they will kill you, but they will overcharge you for like.
This is not bad photo spot, not gonna lie. Obrigado. You're kind of right though, like stickers are pretty interesting to look at.
Yeah, because it's from different places. So
Yeah. It's like a little, it's like social media before social media.
Yay! I hope we find something Russian.
I sent you a photo of him, and then the fight fits a point.
There. Orange hot. Orange.
Maybe here is almost all cash. Like.
Yeah. I know that like here is very famous. Sorry, here's very famous for like street photography.
All of the narrow width.
Yeah.
The frame. You look at a camera like that, a portrait more I can take with you. Like,
I wonder if I can do this.
What the fuck is this called?
Oh, sorry. Look at that. I think it's a bit dark though, but
It's fine.
it's not bad. Tokyo booth. Ooh.
Hello.
haven't found a place I'm going yet, right?
No, we said go to his recommendation.
I keep forgetting his name.
Yeah.
Wrong?
Look at this. It's amazing footage. I love it. No, it's camera's here.
Oh.
Come smile. Like
I think yesterday dinner we all crowd at the talent pool there.
yeah. That's why I love the DJI Osmo Nano. It's
Then after
pretty
that we go to
amazing.
the arcade. Closer.
Yeah.
We thought that it's a wide angle, you know. And then like, no.
Oh shit, there's so many stickers.
You miss a step, you better go to hospital. You become like,
Welcome
Yeah,
foreigners.
yeah,
Tell us.
yeah.
Huh? Sister store, cover charge.
Okay, this one, but I'm not sure if it's.
Whoa.
Oh no, something first. Or is it this one?
The Jesus sticker again.
Oh, it should be this one.
This one? Death Metal in Hell, or Death Match in Hell. Oops, I misread that.
And I said everybody's cash, credit card.
Do you want to check others?
You can walk down further, then come back again.
Yeah.
No, that's like to the main street.
Like, I mean, go to next street.
Oh, next street is back the way we came to, right? No?
Huh? You think we can go here?
Okay, then we can see. I don't want to leave. Wow, that's a cozy looking bar. So it's the most expensive one.
I don't know, it looks like the biggest one. So it kind of doesn't make sense. I like these like extra small options. They're fun.
Makes it more like feel at home kind of vibes, yeah. Oh, that shop has a guitar in it.
We need something like this.
You can request any music. BGM gone. None of them already. Okay, Actually, now I come think about it, the girls shouldn't be coming here.
It's not that bad as Kabuki
No lah,
show.
as in like they
It's bad, but
won't
it's
vibe here.
Yeah. Also okay. Because I traveled alone before.
Of course you're okay.
I was like,
You is big man.
No.
You is former military man. Of course you're fine.
which Singaporean guy is not from military?
No, but you're former regular military.
Oh yeah.
So of course you're fine.
That point you're right.
Like even my time in Australia while being in the Navy, it's not like I've never come across a place like this.
When you go to a port, right?
Yeah. Port calls. Tokuro do kokoro. Oh no, it can't be sick. Well, I can't afford to be sick. Bar radio. So.
Sometimes you come to Japan, you can realize how small a space can be to open a shop. As
You know,
small as it can be.
some of the bars is like literally the size of my room, and my room is tiny.
You sure remember the one uncle at Akiba? They sell the electronics, all the small things at the shop. It's actually just a small little booth. Then you crawl under one.
Oh, I think that place is closed.
Then one of the YouTuber bought over his.
Yeah.
No, the shop, he retired, he closed the shop.
Yeah.
Then the rock YouTuber say, hey, uncle, can I buy over your house? And he said, oh no, just take everything. All the cabinet he
It's
take.
the Tokyo Lens.
Then when he assemble, he cannot assemble because like a lot of things were dismantled, right? They didn't record properly.
So-
Then like suddenly got loose items. It's video purple not bad. There's one video where he said, oh, you want to buy musical instrument, you go here. You want to buy sports equipment, you go there. Can do 10:30 though.
Wow, their burgers. Hamburger. Baka is you. Okay, now's the time now. Oh, 59, just nice. We should probably go back. Oh, cool, the guy's playing guitar. Oh my god, I want to go to a bar with a guitar. Just cause I can.
Other places in the bar?
Just now there was a guy playing guitar on his own in a shop. But it's just him. Do you remember which street that it was from? This one?
Maybe this one. To be honest, it doesn't matter that much.
True.
Yeah.
The vibes are all the same.
Yeah. I feel like we can go in.
Oh, it might have been the next one. Oh no, just the place. Deathmatch in hell.
Oh, POV. Well, Canberra's full of moments from. Yeah.